Hi, I'm Lisa from the Reiki Healing Stone Company. Today I'd like to share with you our chakra pack of stones. Normally in a chakra pack of stones you get 7 stones. In our chakra pack you get many. You get approximately 20 stones in each pack. They come in a nice organza bag, and they also come with all the cards telling you about them. I'm just going to give you a little brief description of each healing. Now for your crown chakra, you can either use clear quartz or amethyst. Now normally in a chakra pack you get either or. I give you both and many because I think it's really important. Everybody's brain needs a little help, especially mine. Now the amethyst is one of the most powerful stones there is. It's known as a sobriety stone because it has such healing properties. It's also a painkiller. It's a natural painkiller. If you get a headache, you put it right here. And ooh, little circles. It feels so marvelous. Now, this is also good for grief and protection from negative people. So is the clear quartz. So these two power stones are wonderful for your crown chakra. Now for your third eye, we use the dormerite, and that's a beautiful blue stone, and that's right here. And that's good for organizational skills and self-discipline. It's a beautiful blue, and that's for your third eye. You can also use amethyst for your third eye too, and this would be your third eye. You can put it right there. And if you would rather just use them as meditation stones, you can just hold them in your hands and meditate. That's a nice starter kit for meditation. Now for your throat chakra, we use turquoise, and turquoise is a beautiful sky stone. It's a power stone also, and it gives you your voice. So if you have trouble speaking your truth, just put it right here by your throat, little circles, and it's wonderful. It'll help you find your voice. And it also brings you back to spiritualism, Native American spiritualism, and also back to nature. And for your heart chakra, and just remember, each one of these cards comes with each stone. I give you 2 stones for your heart chakra. So you have the rose quartz and the aventurine. Normally in a chakra pack you get either or. I give you both because everybody's heart needs a little extra love. Now, the beautiful green stone, that's aventurine, and that is also for creativity and your heart. And the rose quartz is a stone of unconditional love. This stone gives back to you. We as women give. That replenishes your love bank. And these are good for emotional broken hearts or physical broken hearts. And you would just put them on your heart chakra. Now for your, where are we up to? Now we're going to go to citrine. And citrine is for your solar plexus. You also get a nice little card with that one. That is for the stone of success, it's known as. But your solar plexus are right here, and that's when you work and give, and you're exhausted. Citrine's a nice, pretty little yellow stone. You can put that right there and replenish your chakra, your solar plex chakra, and just get a little more energy. And then we have carnelian, and that is for your sacral. And carnelian is great for creativity also, and courage. So our carnelians are the little orange stones. Very beautiful in their own right. Oh, I picked up jasper. Silly me. So these 2 are for your sacral, and they are carnelian. And then we're going to go on to red jasper. And red jasper's for truth and justice. And red jasper comes in many different shades also. It's a beautiful stone. These are like artwork from God. And these you just put, this is for your root chakra. And you can put those on the part of the body or just hold them for peace and just spiritualism. It's very, very nice. Now for the last stone I put in the chakra pack is called hematite. That grounds and balances you throughout everything. It's the stone of the mind. Normally hematite isn't in a chakra pack, but I like it just to ground and balance all of the other stones. Now each piece comes with one of their cards, and they also come with a Reiki card. All of these stones have been infused with Reiki for a little extra oomph, I say, and a little extra energy. And I'd like to tell you these are all cleansed stones. Now, if you use this for a headache on your head, like that, and then you lent it to your friend, they may get your headache. So each stone of ours are cleansed. So they're kind of a personal chakra pack. But if you share stones, you have to make sure you do cleanse them. Now, we have our salts right here, which will be for another video. And you can put a teaspoon of the salt mixture in a bottle of water. And then what I want you to do is shake it after you do that. And then on a nice soft towel, I want you to go over your stones. That includes geodes, if anybody negative touched them, and your chakra stones, even your jewelry you want to cleanse when you get it home, unless it's already cleansed. I'd like to go over one other chakra piece that I have, a beautiful chakra massage wand. It starts out with clear quartz, goes to amethyst, lapis lazuli, aventurine, citrine, carnelian, and red jasper. Now this is a beautiful specialty piece made in Brazil for me, and you want to roll this on any part of the skin or body that hurts, just very gently, and it'll promote healing and circulation. Now, if you have neuropathy, you sit on a chair and make sure you're on a carpet and roll your foot back and forth on it gently, and it'll promote the circulation you need back in your foot. And that is also good for animals and children. If you have a baby, can't sleep, a little sick, you roll this and do baby massage on their feet. They will go to sleep right after you give them a baby massage. They love it. Animals love it too. My Miss Kitty has a little lung problem. I roll it on her chest all the time, and she'll snuggle with it sometimes. The only thing is you do not want to drop this. It will shatter like glass. They're very fragile, and this also needs to be cleansed if you use it from person to person. And it's just as gentle as on a damp towel with the salt mixture, like that. That'll cleanse any energy that was left on there from the past person. Okay, now you can find all of this at the Reiki Healing Stone Company, and it has all the descriptions of the stones and crystals, but you get all this in a nice gift bag when I mail it to you. The chakra massage wand, this is $85. This hasn't made the website yet, but you can always call at 203-770-7835, and we'd be more than happy to take a credit card over the phone and ship it to you. And the chakra pack of stones you can order right from the website, and that pack of stones is $25. But remember, you're not only buying the pack of stones, it comes with all the gift cards telling you about each stone, and then the Reiki healing stone telling you about the Reiki they've had. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a blessed day, and namaste. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me.